The Met Department has predicted surplus rainfall for the months of July and August, but June saw a deficient monsoon with an overall 11% shortfall across the country, coming on the back of two failed monsoons and severe drought conditions from the west to the east of the country. Farmers are now worried and desperately hoping the Met Department's predictions will come true.
After a few pre-monsoon showers, the sun is out, dashing the hopes of farmers in Shivpuri district of Madhya Pradesh. Some have even gone ahead with sowing, but the long dry spell has meant more uncertainty.
बहुत परेशानी आ गई हमें तो 50% नुकसान हो गया कब्जा करके तो हमने वो किया था फसल तो उसमें भी अब क्या करें हम तो.
In Maharashtra's Nashik district, similar worries for 52-year-old Sharad Dharwade. As the monsoon picks up across the country, his 4-acre field continues to thirst for water, just like the rest of the village, and the month of June has brought little cheer.
पिछले साल टमाटर का थोड़े बहुत पैसा हो गया था अभी तक पूरा लेकिन अभी तक क्या करेंगे या अभी जुलै महिना लग गया पाऊस नाही.
बहुतांशी भागामध्ये आजही पाऊस नाही. आज धरणांची पातळी आता जवळपास 0% वर चालली असं म्हणायला हरकत नाही आणि म्हणून अतिशय मोठं गंभीर संकट आपल्या समोर आहे.
The government's anxiety is reflected in the latest figures of the Central Water Commission's data on key reservoirs in the country, which are below 15% capacity, with 7 reservoirs, most of which are in Maharashtra, still without water. There's no immediate respite for the Bolangir district in Odisha either, which has received just 1/3 of the average rainfall it gets for the month of June. Reason why farmers like 25-year-old Bideshi Sahu, who has already spent close to 12,000 rupees on getting his field ready, is already thinking of other options.
हम सोचा है कुछ बारिश नहीं होने से दादन करने जाएंगे. कहाँ जाओगे काम करने? दादन करने तमिलनाडु गुजरात जो है ना सबको 2 पैसा कमा कर हमारा पेट भर पोसूंगा.
After 2 consecutive years of drought in many states of the country, all hopes now rest on the predictions of the Met Department that has forecast good rainfall for July and August. With Atul Gaur, Gopal Pradhan and Kishore Belsare in New Delhi, Ketki Angre for NDTV.